Hi designers, this is the third video of UGNX Mould design series. In this, we'll extract runner and gate plate. So we'll start with the runner extracting in core. So here you can see I choose a pocket and extracted with the tool called pocket. So here we made in one cavity, one core. So the same will be projected in another core. So here you can see I'll hide and show. I extracted in a single core, so same is projected in another core. So same way for gate also, gate and runner both are selected, and now I'm going to merge my workpiece to a main core and cavity plate. So for this, here there is a tool merge cavities. There it is shown cavity womb. Womb means merging of both the workpiece. It's a component name called womb. So cavity womb I made by selecting both the workpiece of cavity, and also I'm making a core. Here I'm not making a workpiece, so it won't be selected. So here I'm not making, and here you can see this combined components will be there in this two of assembly files, and the top one will be considered as our final workpiece, and below are will not be considered, so I'll hide both of them. So for hiding, just select assembly file and go to the reference set and make it empty, so that it will not be shown in next process. So now the important point is merging our womb, cavity and core to the main assembly of the mold. I am going to merge both into one. For this I will be using same pocket tool. Now I will be hiding unwanted plates. In both tool I am going to merge. I'll choose select pocket again. Now first I will subtract, later I add material to the same. So now I am subtracting. After subtracting, the inside pocket will be remaining. So there will be a two body will be remaining. For the two of them, I will manually delete it. Here you can see I will filter a solid body. Select two of the bodies and manually delete it. So this is some residues. This has to be deleted before merging. So now I'm going for a pocket option to merge both. You can see I'm selecting add material, same way targeting the plate and tool as the. Now as you can see, my cavity has become a solid now. So this mold I'm not using insert type. I'll be making a solid type whole plate. So in upcoming video, insert type also will show. So as it is a very simple component, I'm not using a insert type. The same way you have to do for a core also. As you can see, I'll make work part and show you. Hope you can see my cavity becomes solid and my core also becomes solid. So this is a quick video. I'm showing only two of the options. In upcoming video, next video, I'd like to show making a core pins. There is no option in Mould Wizard for making a local insert for core or cavity. So this process is very interesting. I'll show both of them and ensure all unwanted assemblies to be empty. So finally we'll check our cavity side, which is merged. So here there is no local insert needed. In the core, I think there is a necessity of a local insert as there is a projection of pins. Those I would like to make in so these projected pins I'd like to make a local insert. So next video we'll see how to make a local insert of this. Comment below your doubts and suggestion. I will come back with another video. I request you to subscribe the channel. It encourages me a lot to do the most of.